Hi, I'm Sequoia with Project Tree Collard, and we are in the beginning of the coronavirus social distancing times. I love to eat salad, and I'm not going to be going to the grocery store and potentially contaminating myself buying lettuce, which I would eat raw. So I went to the nursery and I got some lettuce, and I wanted to share with you a really cool trick that's not necessarily for super duper beginners, but it can really save you a lot of money. So I looked at all the lettuce plants for sale, and I intentionally chose a 6-pack for, I think it was $5.50 or something like that, that had the most individual plants. So in other words, they had been seeded, each little cell, with many little lettuce seeds, and they had germinated. So I'm going to show you how economical this can be, because this will end up being, I'm guessing, 30 lettuce plants instead of buying something like this that has 6 lettuce plants, and they're the same price. So one of the important things is time of day. It's best to do this towards the end of the day and in cooler weather. So it's been raining lately and it's cool, and it's the end of the day. So what I'm going to do is carefully squeeze one of the 6-pack cells, and there it is. So I'm very carefully going to tease this apart. At this point, I'm just breaking a few roots, and this can look brutal. It can really look like, and some of them don't make it, but most of them do. So I can see now there are 5 plants in here or so. And I very gently start to separate them and pull. So I got one there. I'm just going to do the whole bunch for you. Okay, now I got it in 2 groups. And now I've got 2 more free. 1 more free. And then the others came free. So now I'm going to take what I have on hand. I often use the plastic pots, reuse them from times past, but I don't actually have any more right now. So I'm filling my peat container with high quality potting soil that's going to help them grow really quickly, because I'm hoping to eat this lettuce in about a month. So I'm going to start in the first cell, and I've got the roots in there. And I just carefully add more soil around it and tamp down. So I'm going to do that with each one. And I've been doing this for many years, so I'm going to go way more quickly than you should go if it's your first time. So I got all the roots in there, tamping down, and I'm going to water. That's super important to water immediately and pretty gently. So you can see out of one cell, I've got that much going, so this could be a huge flat of lettuce. And I'm hoping my family and I can have some nice salads during this lockdown time. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in tree collards, you can go to projecttreecollard.org.